Okay guys, I am here with my new stand mixer that I purchased. It's a Hamilton Beat stand mixer. Let's take this off. Over here. Okay, hi guys. Now that we have this out of the box, I would like to show you the different parts that come with it and to show you how to attach these 3 attachments, how you would attach them to your stand mixer. Anyways, this is the beater. This is a beater. This is also a beater, but this is a flat beater. This is for whipping, like eggs and sugar. You whip up your eggs and sugar to make your cake, or you make buttercream. You can use that, but you can't use this to mix your dough. It's too fragile, so you'll have to use this for the general mixing of anything with flour in it. And this is your hook. If you want to mix it really well, this is the best thing to use to get all the flour and everything in mixed in very well. And let me show you some of the button functions here. This little button over here is for tilting, so you just tilt your head back. That's for tilting. And to tilt your head forward, you also use that button. And this is the container. This is a 4 quarts, and this is stainless steel. So it's very easy to remove your bowl. All you have to do is twist it around like that, and you remove it, and put it back in, twist it around, and that's it for removing the bowl. Now to put your attachment on, before I do that, okay, you see the cups under there? These are the suction cups, so that when you're using your mixer, it's sturdy and well placed. Okay, so I'll have to come from behind here, tilt, because I want to show you there's a knob here at the side. Don't know if you can see that. Turn this around a bit. So there's a knob there at the side. Alright, so in order to attach, you can see the shape there, and that's for the knob to go in. Basically, you put your in the knob area, and then you twist. Sorry. And then you twist it, so that way your attachment is attached to your knob. And I shall bring this back over here. Alright, okay, so now we have here a Splatter Shield. And basically what this is to protect anything from splattering out of the bowl. Sometimes when you're mixing just the fluid part of whatever you're making, it can splatter up. Okay, and also what you have here is an opening for you to add your chocolate chips, nuts, whatever it is that you would like to add. Let's say you're making chocolate chip cookies, you want to add some chocolate chips, you just add it to the opening of the shield, so you get 2 usage for this shield here. Okay, and I just want to show you guys over here at the top is the mixing. It's the mixing guide. So you have one stirring, folding, kneading, different numbers. So there's about 7 numbers there for you to do different things. And for you to use that, let's come back here to this black button. That's your knob, and you turn to whatever setting you want to set. Let's say you want to make some buttercream. You can use the whipping thing, and the creaming. You can use go from one to the other. And yeah, and that's pretty much it for this Hamilton Beach stand mixer. The price is fairly good. This part here is made with a very hard plastic, and if you're in the US, I'll leave a link to where you can purchase this stand mixer. If you're in the US, you can get it on Amazon also. You can get it at Walmart, Canada, and the US. I think the US is about $100. Canada is more, probably $150 or something like that. But I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase this, guys. And I hope that you learned something. I will not be baking with this, sorry. I will be doing other things with this stand mixer. But for those of you who make your cookies and stuff and you're on a budget, this is absolutely look at the color, it's so beautiful. And it comes with, you know, some cool attachments, and you get 3 hole attachment with this. Way better than the 2 blender mixer. So okay guys, thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.